Right, don't you?
Yeah, but sometimes you can muck with that. Okay, this is a mathematic. I'll try and do 30 first thing tomorrow. I don't think I'll put one that hard on the test, but it'd be a good exercise. Right now, or at the end if I have time. Today should be a little bit easier, or at least a little bit less abstract. Okay, and you may have seen it before. So Dina, follow me back over here. Okay, you may have seen parts of it before. Binomial theorem. Continuing with our theme for this chapter, which is counting is surprisingly hard.
I thought it was series of numbers.
I really feel like adding cuss words into that.
Alright. Counting is really some gerund hard. Fill in your own gerunds.
Wow.
Okay.
That's nerdy.
That is nerdy. Okay. Binomial theorem. There's a couple ways I can teach this, but I'll start with what you know.
I looked at it in the book. That's
Good.
0.
A plus b to the 0 power is?
1.
1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Adina, don't say wrong answers right into the microphone.
Wow, Dino.
A plus b to the first power is?
A plus B.
Said that like zombies. A plus b squared is?
A squared plus 2ab
2ab
plus b squared.
A plus b cubed is?
Oh, I know this one. It's the one with the long thing, and you do, okay, so it's a to the cubed, and then it's, I forgot the end part, I forgot the middle part, but then it's,
Plus B.
and it's, yeah, it's b to the
Good
cubed.
job, Drew.
Yep.
And it's that.
A plus b to the fourth is? A to the fourth plus 4a cubed b squared plus
4a.
wait, is that going to be b squared? No, that's just going to be b. Plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the fourth.
Can we stop now?
Okay. Anybody here already know the pattern?
I do.
What is it?
Okay, so when you do the A always goes from the greatest to the least. It always goes back to
A goes 4, 3, 2, 1. The exponent on A to A to the 0 is actually here.
And then for B it goes the opposite direction.
Yep, B is b to the 0, b to the first, b squared, b cubed, b to the fourth.
I totally
Okay, where are the
didn't notice
coefficients? Pardon?
I totally
I
didn't
remember
notice
this.
Where are the coefficients coming from?
Oh, they're
From
from,
A.
coming from
Oh,
the exponent.
Yeah.
The coefficients, the 4, the 6, and the 4?
What are you asking me again?
Where are the coefficients coming from?
What did you just say before that?
From adding.
Where are the coefficients coming from?
No, that's what I said.
They're not coming from the exponents.
You're looking at the A plus B to the square, and then doubling that, and then figuring it out that way.
Isn't it the
Sort of.
2 before added together?
Follow me over here, Dina.
Cuss word.
Well put.
Jared.
Now, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
That was it. It's
I
coming
hate
from that.
that thing.
Pascal's triangle.
You remember that?
I don't know what you are doing,
Oh,
but
that's-
I don't
Dina, remember how I
understand.
said Americans like puzzles more than German math teachers?
Probably.
We like all the puzzly stuff.
20,
Like Asian.
15, 6.
It's like Asians or like Haitians.
Oh, I remember this. Okay. And
I
then
have
I
a
can
chart. I have the whole chart.
Alright.
It's
Where-
1, and then it's.
Where am I getting the numbers from on this triangle?
I know this.
Adding
I know
something
this.
together.
It goes like that.
You know what, guys? If you raised your hand, it would be a lot better.
Alright.
I've raised my hands like that.
Okay, guys. The first 3 numbers are just all ones at the top. Okay? 1 plus 1 does get you 2. 1 plus 2 gets you 3. 1 plus 3 gets you 4. 3 plus 3 gets you 6. 3 plus 1 gets you 4. The outer edges of the triangle are all ones. 1 plus 4 gets you 5. 4 and 6 gets you 10. 6 and 4 gets you 10. 4 and 1 gets you 5. 1 and 5 gets you 6. 5 and 10 gets you 15. 10 and 10 gets you 20. 10 and 5 gets you 15. 5 and 1 gets you 6.
Hoorah.
I have some-
Okay, so each
That
number in this triangle is the
went
sum of the 2 numbers
right like
behind
that.
it, and each row begins and ends with a 1.
Isn't it more like
Stare at it for a while, it'll come
there's
to you.
zeros on the outside?
No.
No,
No.
I get the pattern. I don't get how this relates.
Okay, what this
Look at
does,
the coefficients.
this generates the
Go
coefficients.
to your fourth line.
Like over here, for example, see? 1, right? 1a plus 1b. 1a squared plus 2ab plus 1b squared. 1a cubed plus 3a squared b squared plus 3ab squared plus 1b cubed.
I'm still not following.
Look at the
1, 3, 3, 1.
lines.
1, 3, 3, 1.
Wow.
To the fourth power, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. The 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth row, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
So we could technically totally figure out the next line because we have 5, 10, 10,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, so the next line, if I wanted to do
Would be a to the 5th plus
a plus b to the 5th, would be a to
5.
the 5th plus what?
5a to the 4th.
And then b would appear.
And then plus 10 a to the 3rd
B.
b squared.
Yep.
And then another 10. Oh my god, this is too much.
Plus another 10. And then what happens to the a's and the b's?
A 2 b 3
Plus what's next?
5.
5. And what a b to the 4th plus 1 b to the 5th. Stop. Okay? Now, Pascal's triangle is great and probably the fastest
Oh,
way
I'm
to
not
do
even
this.
following here. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Is great up to about the 5th row or so.
And then
Well, if you have to expand like
Then
a
your
plus b to
gauge
the
goes
21st power, you're not going to want to do this. Okay?
You're going to want
I
to
knew you were
use a
gonna do that.
calculator.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the pattern in the notation that we've been doing.
Or you could just write a plus b to the.
or we could just not
So
do
it's
this
20
and
times
pretend
a plus
it's like
b.
not there.
Dina, you're becoming such a mathematical nihilist.
Because math has started to suck.
All right. Anyway. Okay.
Maybe you should try and destroy math.
You should.
Maybe you should
New
invent
notation.
time machines that you
New notation. Guys, we're going to run out of time now.
Is that
Can you
n
do
over
that if
r?
math already existed?
Nope.
Yeah.
Ew, I don't like
Is
that.
that a 1?
Is this something you did before?
Is that
Like,
an
in, like-
exclamation on the top?
Okay. N above r. N above r equals n
Is that a
factorial over r factorial, parentheses n minus r factorial. James, Adina, does this look familiar?
Totally.
Good. I'm honestly blanking on whether it's a combination or permutation, but we'll get to that later. I didn't prep for that today. There's a reason why. Okay, this is something you see a lot of in statistics. It's read n above r. We'll get to its statistical meaning in the next unit, but for now, oddly enough, it helps
I
us
have
with
a
the
quick
binomial
question.
theorem. Yes.
N above r. Can I have a bracket? Just for
No,
my sake.
because it's not a fraction. It means something different. That'd be improper math grammar. Yeah, sorry.
That looks like a matrix.
It kind of does, but it's not.
What is a matrix? I've seen them and I
Okay,
have
hold
no
on,
idea
guys.
what
We
they
gotta.
are.
We have to get through this. Okay. So, for example, if I said evaluate 5 over 3.
5
Shh.
exclamation point
5 factorial.
over, what was the number on the bottom? 3?
3 factorial.
5 minus 3, or 2,
Factorial.
whatever,
Factorial. So this is 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. I'm stopping at 3 factorial so I can cross it out with what's on the bottom. 2 factorial is 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. This number is 10.
Yay.
So 5 over 3. If I say evaluate 5 over 3, you're going to work all this out and you're going to tell me the answer is 10.
Why? How'd the 2 get up there?
Wait,
What's 4 divided by 2? Because 2 factorial is 2.
I was just crossing stuff out.
could you
Now, if you actually work this out without a calculator, one step at a time, without looking for shortcuts like that, you are doomed.
And what does
You'll
that
be
get
doing
you?
it all
What
day.
if
What does that get you?
I'll do it once more example to make sure you're good at it, and then I'll tell you.
But if you didn't know to plug 2 into 4, then you would have 20 over 2, and then you would just get it to 10.
Yes, but if you don't know 2 into 4, I'm a little worried about you.
Well, I still wouldn't see
So
that.
if you don't notice that shortcut, you